Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Just want to let you know that if you're a member, you already know this, but if you're not, you don't. I'm going to be going offline. The Stock Market Mentor and Option Market Mentor are going to be offline Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for a big data migration process that we've actually been planning for quite a while. So anyway, so there won't be any videos for you to see. As far as the chart of the day, this will be the last one that you're going to get until Monday. So, and for members, I'm doing a 1-hour training session tomorrow. I typically just do those on Mondays, but I'm going to do an extra one tomorrow, and we'll talk about setups, a few stocks that I'm looking at, stuff like that. And I don't know for sure. But to chart of the day or Fitz and Five members, I might just make that recording available for everybody. Every once in a while I like to do that, let you know what you're missing. So anyway, that's all I got on that. Now let's look at Robinhood. Steal from the poor and make everybody rich. That seems to be the founding theme for this stock, or for the company, I should say. Oh, Vlad, never fly commercial again. So what I'm looking at here, though, is a stock that gives us a pretty good idea that this is the bottom. So yesterday, the company announces that they're going to, I don't know the exact date, but they're going to be expanding their trading hours. I think, I've never had a Robinhood app, never will, but I think now it's just market hours, 9:30 to 4 Eastern. But they're going to be expanding that to pre-market and after-market trading so that their total number of trading hours during the week is 13. Okay, so that's kind of a big, for people that like to trade on their iPhones with, Robinhood. That's a pretty big deal because you get to get more confetti, you get to gamble a little bit more, and so that's a cool thing to be able to go 13 hours as opposed to whatever it is now. But they're also going for 24/7. I don't know when that's going to happen. They don't either, otherwise they would tell you. But that's kind of what they're planning on doing. And so with that, with respect to the expected revenue of the company, trust me, that's going to put a big jump in it. And so this move yesterday was over 100 million shares. That's kind of a lot. Then today we didn't get, we didn't get a continuation. That's okay. I would actually prefer, stock doesn't really care what I'd prefer, but I'll tell you, I would actually prefer to see this stock trade sideways for a bit longer. Wouldn't break my heart to see it do something like this. Kind of trade, tomorrow's Thursday. The following day is, okay, let's all say it together, Friday. And then next week, that's when we could see a continuation move. No clue when that'll happen, but here's my bet. My bet is that this stock will not be going back down here. This is too much volume right here. Even though it's a 24% move, I think that your trade is this. If the stock runs up above 1650, 1649 was yesterday's high. If it runs up above 1650, man, I think you got blue sky. I think you got plenty of room for this stock to move. I wouldn't anticipate it because the risk is too high. It's still volatile on a percentage basis. It just doesn't look like it in this chart. But if you just wait for 1650 before you buy, you're going to be good, because if it runs up there, then you're more than likely to make some money. You're more than likely to do real good. But if it doesn't break 1650, well, guess what? You're just sitting there wallowing, in the escape hatch at the Shawshank Redemption for a while, because you're not making money. And how do I know you're not making money? Because until the stock runs above 1650, baby, you're in jail. Okay? Anyway, so again, we're going to be closed for business on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you go to the website during that time, nobody died, nobody left town. We're just making the website better. Okay? I hope you have a good evening.